Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to Mind-Blowing Science. Today, we're exploring one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth, the Aurora Borealis. Get ready to learn how these magical lights are formed and discover some mind-blowing facts. And yes, we'll throw in some laughs along the way. So, what exactly are Auroras Boreales? Also known as the Northern Lights, these are natural light displays predominantly seen in high-latitude regions. They appear as beautiful, colorful waves of light in the night sky. It's like Mother Nature decided to throw a rave party up there. But it's not just the Northern Hemisphere that gets all the fun. In the south, they're called Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights. Same stunning show, just a different stage. It all starts with the sun. Our sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. When these particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they get redirected towards the poles. Think of it like the ultimate GPS system for particles. Take the next right for the North Pole. As these charged particles interact with gases in our atmosphere, they create bursts of light. Oxygen gives off green and red light, while nitrogen produces blue and purple hues. It's like a cosmic cookout with different flavors of light. And if you're wondering why they're so vivid and bright, it's because these particles are traveling at incredible speeds, over 1,000,000 miles per hour. Auroras have fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient cultures had their own interpretations of these lights. The Vikings believed they were reflections of the armor of the Valkyries, warrior maidens who chose who would die and who would live in battles. In Finnish folklore, auroras were caused by a magical fox running across the snow, creating sparks that lit up the sky. Hence the name, fox fires. Even today, auroras inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of our planet. Wondering where to catch this celestial light show? Head to high-latitude regions like Norway, Canada, and Alaska. These places are like the VIP sections for aurora viewing. And hey, if you're lucky, you might even see them from Scotland or northern parts of the US. But remember, seeing auroras isn't guaranteed. It's kind of like trying to spot a celebrity. You need the right timing and a bit of luck. The best time to see auroras is during the winter months when nights are long and skies are clear. So, bundle up, find a dark spot away from city lights, and let the magic unfold. Now, let's hit you with some fun facts. Did you know that Jupiter and Saturn have their own auroras? Yep, it's a solar system-wide disco. And get this, during World War II, some pilots reported seeing auroras so bright they could read their maps by their light. Talk about a natural night light. Here's a quirky one. Auroras can produce sounds. People have reported hearing claps and crackles during particularly intense displays. Imagine nature's own sound and light show. And did you know that around 8% of people can see auroras even when they close their eyes? It's called phosphenes, caused by the intense light stimulation. Cool, huh? Scientists are always keen to study auroras. They send up rockets and satellites to understand these light shows better. Why? Because auroras help us learn about space weather, which can affect our satellites and power grids. So, next time you see an aurora, remember, it's not just pretty, it's scientifically significant. One of the most famous missions was NASA's Themis project, which aimed to understand what triggers auroral substorms, sudden brightenings and movements in the aurora. And the European Space Agency's Cluster mission has been providing valuable data on how solar wind particles interact with Earth's magnetic field. Auroras are not just pretty lights, they can impact our technology too. Strong solar storms can interfere with satellite communications and GPS signals. They can also cause geomagnetic storms that can disrupt power grids, leading to blackouts. It's like nature's way of reminding us who's boss. But don't worry, scientists are working on ways to predict these storms to minimize their impact. So, we're getting better at playing defense against the sun's fiery moods. There are many myths and misconceptions about auroras. Some people believe they can affect human behavior or health, but there's no scientific evidence to support this. In reality, auroras are harmless to us on the ground. They're just a spectacular light show created by charged particles and magnetic fields. Another myth is that auroras can only be seen in winter. While it's true that they're more common in the winter months, they can occur anytime the conditions are right. So, don't let the myths scare you away. Just enjoy the view. Experiencing an aurora is on many people's bucket lists. It's like seeing a rainbow, but at night and way cooler. Bundle up, find a dark spot away from city lights, and let the magic unfold. And hey, don't forget to bring a hot drink. You're in for a chilly but unforgettable experience. To capture the best photos, use a camera with manual settings, set a long exposure, and keep your fingers crossed for clear skies. So, there you have it, the awe-inspiring Aurora Borealis. From solar winds to folklore foxes, we've covered it all. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing science. Got any aurora sightings or fun facts? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay curious with mind-blowing science.